she had so many accolades, man. And when she goes to the marketplace, she leave her character at home. Oh, well, she was like the lady, just like the lady, don't ask me why. And when she starts a conversation, to every one of her friends is crying. Opening Romeo, Mr. John Lindsay, take it away. Oh, beautiful, beautiful woman. I said the Archie woman. I said the Pitiano woman. I said the Archie Taki woman would drive me crazy. Yeah. Look it. And here comes Billy, and he's one of her ugly me. And I say hello, friend. When I began to tell the story about this beautiful woman that I've seen. Billy turns to me and said, seems like every woman is the same. Well, I shook my head and said, well, you tell young Billy, said I can believe every woman can be the same. Sing along. Said that woman. I said that I don't talk a woman. I said that Samoa woman. I said that tongue woman would drive me crazy. Beautiful, beautiful woman. I said that Kumana woman. That crazy woman. Everybody's woman that drive you crazy. Yo. All right, bring it down. If you're proud to be a Kiwi, we want to hear you sing this one. You go like this: 2, 3. Yahweh, Yahweh, Shapa, Yamatiah. Oh. One more time, sing it. Yo.